Hayokmani Phil Bisi Sinichiba Pungmani Shalnorgay Hastini Bir Shenarokno Mithiklaijak Agotala Press Club Chikoncha Kaisa Panda Shongchaka Shrang Shalo Pandawa Hasti CPM ni Swkhang Jitendra Chaudhary no Khumpui CPM ni Kubuni Adong te Tangfangrok Manjaka Yango Congress ni MLA Shudi Ibrahim Bormon Kusam MLA Asif Shahab Manjakima Bai Chongbari ni Swkhang Kunwi Juda Thwg Bodol ni Adong rokno Thangsa khe Nugui Baksha Kha Mithigai Juda Juda Sumung Asai Tongmani Lukurok ni Bukhakte Nukjaka
Liberty of our nation, for our independence. There are scores of people, actually, the nation do not know about that. So CPIML, though it is a small program, I think from that count, the importance of this meeting is, that is immense importance that is it has generated. And what I felt that today, while our unsung heroes are being remembered, who are there? During the freedom struggle we have seen, there are the people from different, stream. Some people through the, under leadership of Mahatma Gandhi in one way. There are some scores of people through this armed struggle. And there are people even for social reform, like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, then Bhagat Singh. So they believe that without the armed struggle, without that resistance, British could not be, liberation could not be achieved. And there are people thought that unless the moral of the people cannot be built, like Swami Vivekananda, then the Narayan Guru, like that, they also contributed a lot, immensely, and Mahatma Gandhi, of course. And all these people, they assemble under the Indian National Congress, not the National Congress of today. So that's why, though it is after 75 years of independence, our government now, there is a few days back, or 1 year long, they have commemorated this in the name of in the fashion of the Azadi Ka Amrit itself. But they have not involved the people of this, all quarter of the people. They have just exploited it for their political mileage. So that's why this meeting, though it is a small, but it is a significant, that whether all these flows, all this, that is what section of the people, the secular and democratic people could be united, and it is possible. Then today onslaught upon the democracy, onslaught upon the constitution, how Modi and its brigade doing, from that we can get out. So it is small, it is late, but of course, and very important, the event that happened. About the electoral alliance only, I am not talking about that. If political atmosphere can be built, either from left, right, or independent, all democratic people are, elected. So automatically the fascistic, the natural government, it will go. So that's why what we do emphasize that all democratic people, secular people, either national or regional, they should come forward, and this fascistic force should be defeated.
Bureau Report, Khumpui.